watching Ask Profit on NDTV Profit, and I'm your host Himakshi Bahuguna.
And I'm your host Malika Mishra, and in the next 1 hour or so, we will together be taking up all your queries. So don't forget to call us on the numbers flashing on your screen. You can also write to us on WhatsApp, but we do insist for you to call us on the screen. Now, call us on the phone numbers, and the numbers are flashing on your screen. Today we have G. Chokalingam joining us on the fundamentals and Ravi Singh joining us on the technicals. So call us on the numbers, and welcome, gentlemen. Let's begin with our first query. Bhaskar has written to us from Chennai.
Our first caller on the show. So Ram is calling us from Tamil Nadu. Hi Ram, good evening. How can we help you?
Yeah, hi everyone. Good evening.
Yes, please go ahead with your query.
So today I bought Bharat Electronics shares of 500 at average price of 283.
All right.
The stock went down around 1.68%. So I am holding a loss of 5,360 rupees.
Yeah.
So will it the right time to add more, or the stock will fall? So what is the target price and where I can put a stop loss?
Okay, and what was the thought process behind buying BEL? Were you planning to hold it for long term or short term?
No, for short term only I am looking for it.
Okay.
So I did some fundamental analysis that the company has signed many projects. So it shows a good growth and revenue as well.
Right, and what sort of a target are you looking at?
So like what will be the stop loss, whether that stock will fall more, or I want to know.
Yeah, okay, I'll get your query answered, Ram. Ravi, coming to you directly, what's your outlook on BEL? How is it faring on the charts? Is it optimistic for Ram to stay invested?
Ram Garu, there is a very strong resistance at 286, right? And you have buy at 283. So that's why we have seen some profit booking, or you can say that some downward correction. But still I can say that you hold this position with the stop loss of 262. Please, particular stop loss is 262, and if you want to buy, that's I'm seeing you are interested to buy. So put your buying price at 262 to 268 more and more, right? The upside target again you can see at the level of 286 to 290. So that point of time you should book the profit. Don't panic. Stock is good. If you hold, then long term structure is very good. So better to follow these levels.
Okay, got it. And now we will take up another WhatsApp query. John has written to us from Puducherry, and he says that his portfolio does not have any hospital shares in it. Do you want to add anything to it for the short term?
Yeah, my view is totally different. I can say that there is a green, there is no green in stock market. Every stock is in red zone if you invested in a green or green energy, right? So better you have to bet on power sector. Put your next would be the Power Grid or Tata Power or maybe NHPC. That would be a good option. But yeah, NTPC green, you can put the stop loss of 90 rupees. If stock cross below, then should take exit. Otherwise, you have a option to switch to NHPC. But I don't think so. NTPC green have a potential to achieve the target of 120 to 25 in next 6 months. So 6 months, I think if you are invested, so waste your money. So better switch another stock.
Okay, so for the next 6 months, we don't see a lot of action for NTPC Green. However, moving on to our next query, Sundaram has written to us from Tamil Nadu.
Ravi, I'd come to you also. How are the prospects of AFL faring on the charts?
Congratulations, Himakshi ma'am. Now you are international, so a lot of international clients are interested to ask questions. Yeah.
Yes. Thanks for that, Ravi.
Yeah, Apple, I think in recent days we have seen some correction, and right now stock is trading below 200 DMA, and recently there is a one breakdown is head and shoulder pattern. So I can say that little bit correction due. So wait for the 1320 or 1350 levels. That level you can invest once it reach 1320 or 1300 levels, but better to ask profit again after some time.
Okay, thank you for that, Ravi. And now we will take up another caller. Mansingh is calling us from Andhra Pradesh. Hi, Mansingh.
The short term for Enviro Infra.
Yeah, better to take exit, ma'am, and you can add GMR Infra or you can add IRB Infra. That stocks have enough potential to go upside, but this stock you should take exit because you may see a level of 170 to 160. That correction is around 40% from the current level. So take exit.
Okay, got it. And now we have another caller. Kunal is calling us from Chennai. Got it. Ravi, I'd like to know your view on Hindustan Composite. Our viewer holds 543 shares of Hindustan Composite at 125 shares at 543 apiece, and the stock is currently trading around 445. Has seen a dip of 3.5% closely, and our viewer is sitting on a loss of close to 12,000 rupees or so. He's asking for a long-term view. What is your view on this particular company, especially from the stock perspective? You've been making a roller coaster ride in the past 1 year where it's gone up and down and up and down. Where is it going, and is it wise to stay invested in this?
See, the roller coaster ride, there is another benefit. You can take exit and you can book profit. So many opportunities are there, but I can say that this stock can be hold at this point of time. You have a 125 shares. Better if you want to do an average. So there is an opportunity at 435 to 440 levels. You buy at least 50 shares there. So your ultimate average will down, and you can achieve this stock have a potential to achieve 490 level again. So I can say that put your long-term stop loss is 420 and do this exercise so you can exit easily and book the profit. So in longer term prospects, yes, you can see the roller coaster ride will continue.
The roller coaster ride is going to continue for Hindustan Composite. However, in between, you might take opportunities to invest and make profits. However, Mr. Chokalingam, I'd like to know your view as well on Hindustan Composite. At a time when we're saying valuations are so much stretched for most of the stocks trading on the stock exchanges, Hindustan Composite is one stock that is currently trading around 729. So very, very, very close to the price at which he bought them. And in the next 6 or 8 months, where do you see the stock going? If it falls more, could you give us a stop loss or at least describe a range in which it is going to trend on the upper end as well?
Yeah, very important level at 720 and crucial level also. There is a very strong support at 700 and 680 levels. But sir, you are buy at 730. Your vision is 6 to 8 months. Why you are panicked? This stock is not for the trading, but this stock is for the investment. So better to accumulate, wait some time, and always this stock will give the profit whatever the market condition. So just wait and watch. After 6 months, you are sitting at 820 to 830 levels. So that point of time you can book the profit, but don't cut this time of this position at this level. Just wait and watch. Give 6 months to mature.
Okay, thanks for that view, Ravi. So with that, we have a caller from Bengaluru. Hi, Kumar. Good evening.
Yeah, hi team. Good evening. Thank you for accepting my call.
It's a pleasure, Kumar. Please go ahead with Ravi. What do you have to say on Dr. Reddy's for short term?
See, short term you may see some correction, but don't panic at this point of time. Better to do the average at 1080 to 1050 level. Wait for some time. Don't hurry to average, but just wait for the 1080 to 1050 levels. Buy more, and you may see the target of 1400 in next 1 year. So stock have a potential. This time is not good for the stocks or for the market. So better to invest in the longer term prospects and do the average.
Okay, so that's the view on Dr. Reddy's. And now we have Manjeet. He's calling us from Himachal Pradesh. Hi Manjeet, namaste. Where your suggestion becomes really important, because as I mentioned, and even Mr. Chokalingam mentioned, that the stock is very volatile. If you go past just 1 year, you would not be able to say the right direction or average direction in which the stock is currently trading. In that case, what should an investor do? For how long should they hold to Lemon Tree?
See, once you put the stop loss of 116 or 115, then I don't think so you can look so many times this stock, because this stock have a potential to achieve the target of 155 to 160. So don't panic. Just get relaxed. So put the stop loss of 116. If you want to buy, then certainly you can buy at 120 level is the average level, but target is 155 to 160 again.
Okay, so no need to panic is what Ravi is suggesting on Lemon Tree. Now let's go across to a caller from Gujarat. And Ravi, do you also hold the same view for short term for Jio Financials? Because, you know, the stock was down over 2% today. It's currently trading at 216. So are these the correct levels to enter for the short term?
See, short-term or long-term investor can add 200 to 180 levels is the best level to invest in this stock, and the stock have a potential to achieve the target of 260 to 265 again. But it will take time. So I can say that better to accumulate at every 5 rupees, and I think he is interested to buy 2000 stocks. So better you start your journey at 210 to 180 levels and accumulate all the stocks, and you may get after 3 years a huge return. So I can say that definitely buy, but follow the levels.
Okay, got it. And now we will take up a WhatsApp query. Ankit has written to us from Ahmedabad. He holds 10 shares of Tata Power at 444 rupees. A price range looking like in the short term.
You are rightly said that about the stock, so thank you very much, ma'am. And I can say that why you are waiting 350 or 320, you can just wait for the 440 levels to 520 levels in next 1.5 years. So a stock is good, the stock have potential to good, fundamental is good, and now technical levels you know. So why you are waiting? You just add at these levels.
Okay, so that's the view on Tata Power. We have a caller now from Chennai. Hi Shankar, thanks for calling in.
From Bangalore. He's a caller, pardon me. Hi Kumaran, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
Yes, I have actually 1,000 investment in Larsen & Turbo, bought at 3450, and I'm looking for 6 to 12 months kind of a time frame. Any advice?
Ravi, what's your view on L&T? Our viewer holds 1,000 shares at 3,450 rupees a piece. The stock is currently trading around 3,178 and has fallen sharply from December levels where it was trading around 3,923. But being such a strong infrastructure EPC company, it has a reasonable PE of 31 odd points as well, relatively at least. What is your outlook on L&T?
Yeah, you are rightly said that. Just add, if you want to add these stocks, because you have a 1,000 share quantity, if you want to add, put your next buy price at 3,000 to 2,800 level is maximum downside you will see. But I can say that don't panic at these stocks. These stocks have a potential to achieve a 38 to 3,900 levels in next 1 year. So better just wait and watch. And if you want to add, then add confidently and wait for some time.
Okay, thanks for that view. With that, let's quickly go across to a caller from Chennai. Hi Venkat, good evening. View on it?
I can say that put the stop loss of 135, but take exit at 150 or 55, and you can add your position in NHPC, not in ERDA. ERDA don't have a much future to go upside. So better to take exit, add NHPC at this level.
Okay, got it. And now we have joining us and answering all the queries, and we will see you again. And viewers, you stay tuned to NDTV Profit. And remember, one big suggestion that we got today, Himakshi, was to not panic, stay invested. I know the market is going in the negative direction, but wise investors are always patient. And with that, I'd like you to stick and stay tuned to NDTV Profit for more news and updates.